Hello there again, this is Alex from RBCCM and you are joining us for another cruise. Now you might think this is a bad weather for a cruise, but we've had these before. We had some cruises during the winter and it seems like there's enough of crazy people like myself who don't mind the weather really being this bad. So we're gonna have a very old favorite cruise that we did a couple of times before. We're gonna go from here from Trove down to Tsawwassen Mills. We're gonna hear some nice revving in the tunnel, so hopefully it all goes well. I don't see why it wouldn't be. The rain is barely existent really at this point, but that's it. Let's see who we have already. So today I brought out the Bullet. It didn't make a lot of sense bringing out the Miata in this type of weather. The Miata, like, the biggest appeal, at least for me, is like driving with the top down anyways. So I figured, yeah, let's take the big one. We're going through the tunnel. We want to hear some nice sounds, so we'll definitely hear that. We also have this Camaro here joining us for the ride. Another crazy person who thinks that driving a rear-wheel drive car in the rain is not a problem at all. And I appreciate that. Another one that will be making a lot of noise in the tunnel is this i3. We actually see this for the first time. I can't wait to hear it rev in the tunnels. And we also have this BRZ. That's not Austin's. Yeah, I remember this one with the nice bronze wheels and the Brembo brakes. Yeah. So we have a bunch of Golfs coming over. I think these are all familiar faces that we've seen before. Yep. I also believe they came last time together. I definitely remember this green one. I really like the color on this Golf. How's it going? That. Subi. I think this Chat, I believe, and the 8 series. Oh my, this one looks kind of cool. This Kia Stinger GT. I never saw one that had all these aero bits on it and the big spoiler. Let me wipe the camera a bit. I'm gonna do this quite often because I don't want the camera to be, you know, all rainy and watery. Sounds good too. It's a nice car. Bi-turbo V6. These are really fast. And another Golf. Let's go have a look at some of these cars from up close. He's obviously joining his buddies. 4 Golfs in a row. I expect we'll have even more. And this good looking white 8 series. I like the blue rings on the wheels, blue rims. I like how they match the calipers too. These are very long. And this big wing on the Stinger. These are so white. They pop out for sure. That's very cool. You going? Here's another pretty thing. Just rolled in. This white Mark V Supra. And I like the details. The red rims, or what are you gonna call it, the pinstripes on the front splitter skirts. I assume there's some on the back too. You have this Mitsubishi Lancer and this bug-eyed Subi WRX. I think these guys came together last time. Yep, we see the same details in the back as well. And this GR Supra and a very good looking carbon fiber spoiler in the back.
Usually a small turnout when it rains?
Well, the last time we did these events in the rain, it was in the winter, and the group was smaller then, and we had like 30 people confirm, and we had about like 20. So today we had about 80 confirmed, so I expect we'll have at least, no, not half, maybe like 50, 60 cars even. There's a bunch of crazies in here that don't really care about weather, obviously. We'll have about more than 50 for sure today.
Cool.
Yeah, especially it's still early and already there's quite a turnout. Yeah, so like I said, a bunch of crazies. Well, Subis don't count because they have the 4x4 anyway, so they don't care whether it snows, rains, or whatever. But us RWD folk, we'll just drive gingerly and pray. How's it going? Welcome. Pretty good. Ready to drive in the puddles?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I had to get new tires for it.
Really?
Yeah.
But regardless of the weather, right? You didn't put on winters or anything like that. Cool, cool. Nice. It always feels good to break in new tires.
Oh yeah, for sure.
My camera was off, so I missed this Subi's arrival. But another all-wheel drive Subi from the Vancouver Subaru Club has just made it in here. So these guys, obviously, they don't care if it rains or not. Got the full-on drivetrain for these conditions exactly. Ooh, this makes a nice noise. This Infinity sounds quite nice. And we have a bunch of arrivals now. Oh my goodness, that's loud. Jesus, that's this Mazda? Holy crap. And we have this B-dub and another B-dub. A couple of Jettas, I believe. Dude, what the hell is going on with that Mazda? That is so loud. Let's go check it out. Mazdas don't supposed to sound like that. Sounds awesome. This one's crackling and creaking over there. Mazda Speed 3. You betcha. I like this one. Sheesh. Slow Rolla YVR is in the house. Hey, here's a Boabide STI. I remember his Instagram tag has something to do with it too, but I definitely remember this car. The blacked out scoop in the hood and the blacked out trunk and spoiler in the back. Looks quite nice. Oh my goodness. Ishii is here. Now I know he didn't miss the turn because it's been here plenty of times before. Good looking GRC, of course. And we have another V-dub. What else do we have here? This is Isaac Turand, I think. Yep. And another good looking GRC. And one more. I'm seeing double. Actually triple. There's another one right there that kind of resembles these two. The first one I see is a bit more lowered. Very good looking twins. Is that SRT coming our way? That'll be pretty cool. Oh man, you gotta be confident throwing that much weight around. Let's go have a look. Yep. And Hikari Boys is in the house, winking at us. Aw, hello. There's this Beamer coming over. It's very crackly and raspy. RCSQ. Hey dude, how's it going? What's up? All good?
I saw you guys.
You saw us gathering, you decided to come see what's going on?
Yeah. No, we're having our rally installed here.
Oh, you're driving out somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
We're gonna be going to Oliver, area 27.
Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Yeah, we were going down to Tsawwassen.
You going to Tsawwassen now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Through like River Road and then on the highway through the tunnel and down there. Yeah. I didn't think that many people will show up in the rain, but it's all good.
It's good.
Cool. How are things?
Busy.
Yeah, I like the new wrap you put on the Lambo. Looks amazing. Much better in my opinion.
Yeah.
Definitely.
More low key.
Cool. Yeah, let me know when you guys have another thing going, and
Yeah,
we can definitely like bring out the house there too. Cool. See you around. Thanks. Yeah. This is the guy who runs this place. So they have another thing going today. Pretty nice. I probably have to join them on one of their cruises because they bring out like crazy stuff too. I just need to know beforehand so we can have like schedule at the same time accidentally. How's it going? Pretty good. This is Roy, I think? Oh no, that's that 90s Miata. Winking. Nice. And this is Sun. Came to claim his free decal. Very nice looking M3. And some iteration of the Mercury / Crown Vic. I can't follow. There's so many. Oh, and this clean looking Evo. Very cool.
Hey Alex.
How's it going?
Good, you?
Pretty good. Welcome.
Thanks again.
Yeah, no worries.
Hopefully you get a good. Hopefully we still get a good turnout. And not
Oh, it's already a pretty good turnout.
I'm just hoping not too many are scared of the rain.
Nah, we did this in the winter time too, so it'll be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the Subi is not a problem, right? And the
Nope,
four-wheel drive and all that.
Yeah, we're not scared of the
Yeah.
rain.
I just hope I don't go off the road or anything.
Yeah.
It'll be
Skinny
fine.
pedal up.
Yeah, well, I did this before with summer tires nonetheless. It'll be good. Cool. No, it's already quite a good turnout.
Yeah.
Now look at this little thing. This stuff looks really good. And another one for the knee club. This Infinity. And the RS6 wagon. You see this guy joining most of the cruises we've had so far. Good attendance for the RS6. Great wagon. Yes, how's it going?
Good.
Welcome. Oh, I haven't seen this one before.
This is the rain and snow car.
Oh, how many do you have?
More than I need.
Oh man, I feel sorry for you, man. It's awful. Every cruise, Jonathan just brings out another one. So this guy also has the Aston Martin, I think it's a Vantage, and the 68 Carmen Ghia. I'll take the Carmen Ghia because I think that's the only IG he has. Okay. It's a nice backup vehicle to have for snow and rain time. I guess it's an all-wheel drive too. Look at this cute little thing. I think it's a CRZ. I remember they had the hybrid version that had the back wheel covered. So I assume it's not this one. Oh, I think he parked. No, it is the hybrid. Interesting. Cool, small little thing you have there.
Yeah, thanks.
I remember them having usually the cover behind the back wheel, but I guess not every CRZ has those, right?
Yeah, this is the first gen one, so
Okay.
yeah, 2011.
It looks really cool. I haven't seen them in a
I
while.
cleaned it yesterday and then
Yeah, and then you parked under a tree, I see, right?
yeah, my house is under a giant tree. So
Oh, well, what can you do?
fine.
It's raining anyways. Okay, cool. Welcome.
Thanks.
How's it going, man? I like the paint on this one. It's kind of a mix between gray and brown. You don't see it too often. I can appreciate that. Looks quite nice. Yeah, we're getting close to go time. And I don't believe we've seen these from up close yet. Oh, this is very lewd. Oh man, look at this. Beautiful. Looks really nice with the black. So if you have a black car, yeah, the blue decal is a good way to go about it. Another good looking Beamer in the house, followed by the AMG SUV. I don't remember which one is this, C63 or I'm not good at my AMGs. It's really good though. 63S, yeah. Okay. It's another good looking STI rolled in. And one more. And this beautiful looking Crown Vic also in the house, and I believe I saw Albert. Yeah,
Just look. They just look. They don't care.
it is Calbert. And this
I'm so surprised because it's
LC 500. The GoPro is still running, so I guess it should be fine in the rain. And yeah, it looks like everyone made it safe and sound. Unless we lost someone, and I have no clue that we did. Cool. This was a lot of fun. I did record the audio during the drive with the 3D mic, so hopefully if I didn't get this too loud, it'll be pretty cool to hear. We're going. The Supra that I believe probably came just about as we were heading out, so I didn't get some footage of it before, so we get a little bit of it now.
That was great.
Yeah, it was fun. It was yeah, it was a little bit of traffic, but still pretty cool. I don't remember this Jag. Is he with us? Pretty cool.
Is anyone mechanic here?
Sorry?
Is anyone mechanic here?
I don't know. Maybe. Why, you have a problem?
Yeah, I don't know. My car is off, but I don't know what it sounds that.
Oh, it's still running.
Yeah, it's still running.
Maybe it's,
Yep, my car is off.
that's odd. You can ask around. There's probably someone who at least like knows this thing better than I do around the car. How's it going? Pretty good. Welcome. Nice looking guard metallic, I think the name of this paint on the Mustang. It's cozy looking Crown Wick. Crown Wick. I was thinking of John Wick, maybe that's why it came out as Crown Wick. But they have like so many names: the Celsior, the Mercury. I think like different names for obviously Japan and North America, but they all kind of the same mold, right? That's what we got here. This R. Oh, looking Jaguar. XK, I think. XF, right? I think the XK is the one that's like two-door. Wet content demonstrate. How's it going, man? Welcome. I haven't seen you at Trove. You joined us later or just as we were heading out?
I came right now from home. I was just working graveyard. I woke up.
Oh, I got you. Nice, welcome. It's a sick looking Jag.
Yeah, I just got it like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, nice. Congrats. The R is all very good looking.
I wanted to meet up over there, but then I woke up. So
Oh, it's all good. You're here now, then. All in all, it's been successful despite the weather. This car, man, I could hear it from like 5 cars behind me.
Yeah, that one was too loud.
Jeez. I hope like we don't have VCPD chasing us because of it. That's a quirky looking thing though, I like it. And we have this RS6 and the TTS. Very nice looking cars as well. And this Durango SRT. If you want to like take your kids to school and still do a burnout, this is a very good option. I gotta love Dodge. Put their V8s into anything that moves. A policy that I approve of, clearly. We have some late arrivals. Maybe they got lost in the way or parked somewhere else. Here they are. You got lost on the way?
No, we took half the.
Oh, he said you got lost.
Yeah.
So who should I believe? He's saying you're not lost and you're saying you are lost.
We're not lost, but we don't know where you guys parked.
Well, you're not lost anymore.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Yo, try to move up a bit.
You gotta be perfectly aligned. Oh, now he's ahead of you though. Now he's covering you up.
I am back to the mirror. Why are you back to the mirror? I did.
Well, it depends where you're measuring from. If you're measuring from the splitter, you're quite a lot ahead. Just get another extension, like all the way out there.
We found them. Da, 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 da.